How to fix an unknown error occurred 4045 on iPad. First, Apple documentation includes a lot of error messages and possible troubleshooting steps. However, there is number 4045 error documentation. We do know that error messages in the 4000s often deal with connection problems. There are two types of connections when you connect your iPad to your computer. The first one is the wireless connection from the computer to Apple servers. If for some reason there are connection issues reaching the Apple server, the restore will fail. The following steps will address this. 1. Go to the Apple System Status page to see if any of the Apple services are down. 2. It is possible that your firewall or antivirus software is preventing the proper connection. Do you have any type of antivirus, firewall, or cleaning app? If so, disable it and then try again. 3. VPN or proxy servers may cause issues. If you are using a VPN or proxy, disable it and try again. 2. Check your cables. There are two connections. One is between the computer and the Apple servers, and the other is between your iPad and your computer. This is a wired USB connection. Improper connections are known to cause issues. Try the following. 1. There may be a problem with your computer. Try to use a different computer if possible. 2. There may be a problem with your computer's USB port. Try to use a different port on your computer. 3. Ensure that your USB cables are working and Apple certified. If possible, try to use another cable. 4. Use a USB-A cable. This is the standard connector. 5. If your Mac has only USB-C, get an adapter to connect USB-C to USB-A. If you have a USB-C to Lightning, this may not work. Get an adapter. 3. Update iTunes on PC or update your Mac.